When I opened the fridge this morning, I found nothing except for some leftover pho noodles and some eggs. So I thought, why not making some pho omelette? It's called phở chiên trứng in Vietnamese. Let's begin.
Helen's Recipes.
Firstly, separate the noodles with your hands to make sure that there's no strings of noodles sticking to each other. For one serving, you're gonna need about 150 grams or 5 ounces. Next, crack 2 eggs in a small bowl and add a teaspoon of fish sauce and some freshly cracked pepper. Beat well. Fill a saucepan with vegetable oil, just enough to cover the base, and then gently drop in the noodles. Use chopsticks to spread the noodles evenly over the base. This is my trick to prevent the oil splashing all over the place. I cut out the bottom of a carton box and just put it around the pan like this. Fry until one side is golden brown. It's gonna take about 7 to 10 minutes. Then you're gonna flip it over and fry the other side for a couple more minutes. Next, pour the eggs mixture all over the surface and let it fill the holes that the noodles create. You might need to flip a couple more times until both sides turn golden brown and crispy. Too little oil is not enough to crisp up the noodles, but too much oil might make them limp. So use just the right amount, that is enough to cover the base. When it's almost there, you can add some chopped green onions and fry for 1 more minute and it's done. Transfer to rest on a rack and let the excess oil drift off. To balance out the greasiness, I like to serve this pho omelette with some pickled daikon and carrots, which I have shredded and then mixed with some vinegar and sugar. A few squirts of sriracha and you're good to go. It's crispy and fragrant, and combined with that sweet and sour pickles is a perfect bite. I hope you like it, and if you give it a try, please put a photo on Instagram with hashtag Helen Recipes. I would love to see it. This recipe, together with so many other pho and noodle recipes, can be found in my cookbook, Simply Pho, which is available now on Amazon and all other bookstores on and offline. You can click on the link to grab one now if you haven't already. Otherwise, just click subscribe and turn on the bell button so you won't miss my next video when it comes out. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.